Welcome to the first video tutorial for the Bull Rush asset pack. Let's start with creating a basic 3D Unity project. Once the project opens, head on to the Package Manager, open My Assets tab, and start downloading the Bull Rush template asset pack. Once it's downloaded, import it into your project. Here, click the Import button. Now click Install Upgrade button. Click Import again. And we are good to go. Let's go and open up the main menu scene, which you can find under Scenes folder of Bull Rush template. Change the resolution to 1080 by 1920. You can now play the game if you want to. Now let's start with understanding the components one by one. First, we have our time manager. All the slow-mo effects are controlled by this component. If you want to control the slow motion duration, just adjust this slow down length variable. If you want to disable all slow motion effects for your game, disable this slow-mo effects bool variable. I will keep it on for now. Next up, we have the post-processing system to increase the graphics quality of the game. If you want to get additional 15 to 20 FPS for your game, try opening the post-process prefab and disabling the object. This can be helpful specifically in case where you want to make a mobile game out of it. Moving on, we have the Game Manager component, which controls the leveling system, scene loading, and a few UI-related stuff. Currently, we only have 3 levels for this template, but I am sure you will add more level to the game, then you have to increase the total number of level number variable. We also have some UI elements references here, and lastly, we have the bull health slider here. Feel free to increase or decrease the bull's health according to your preference. Next, we have the STICKMAN component attached to every stickman running far from the bull. There is nothing much to it, but can try increasing or decreasing the speed of stickman if you want to. Also, if you see there is a collidable component attached to every component that will collide with the bull, be it stickman or any obstacles. So there is a damage rate or gain rate variable which is responsible for increasing or decreasing the bull's health once the bull collides with any object. In here, a negative value basically means the bull's health will decrease on collision with that object, and a positive value means the bull's health will increase on collision with that object. Now let's come to the most important component of our game, the player component. We have a forward speed variable which is responsible for the speed at which the bull will run in the forward direction. You can increase it if you want to make a fast-paced experience game. Then we have the horizontal move factor, which is basically the horizontal movement speed of the bull. Then we have the min and max x values, which basically used to limit the bull's movement on the horizontal axis during the horizontal movement. Then we have the speed rot z value, which is responsible for the speed at which the bull will rotate on the z-axis. Lastly, we have the camera perspective variable. We have a FPP camera and a TPP camera, which you can choose according to your preference. Now, let's learn how to make new levels. Select level 3 and duplicate it using CTRL-D, and a new level 4 will appear. Now add the stickmans and obstacles according to your level design needs, using prefabs in the prefab folder under Bullrush template. Once it's done, select the ground object and hit the bake button under Nav Mesh Surface component. If you want to have a different environment for this level, you can add different environment pieces which we have in the environment folder. We already made an environment for this level. That's all for this video. Feel free to reach out via email if you need any assistance. Keep creating and keep exploring. Thank you.